Hey, it's DPerry, and I am a realtor with Property Consultants in Bucktown. And today on Logan Square and Westtown Homes Live, I'm going to present to you how to evaluate your house for an attic bedroom conversion. This article is featured on houselogic.com and made possible by realtors. Now, an attic bedroom remodel is an easy way to increase living space and avoid many of the zoning restrictions attached to adding on. An attic bedroom exploits roof space previously devoted to high school yearbooks and nesting sparrows. Reclaiming the space under your roof also avoids many zoning and easement concerns, common chores when adding onto a house. Attic bedroom cost and value. Converting an attic to a bedroom yields a modest return on your investment. According to 2015 Remodeling Impact Report from the National Association of Realtors, an attic bedroom conversion that includes a small bath has a national median cost of $65,000 and retains 61% of its value if you should decide to sell your house. Nevertheless, most homeowners who undertook an attic conversion have no regrets. The project gets a joy score of 9.4, a rating based on those who said they were happy or satisfied with their remodeling, with 10 being the highest rating and 1 the lowest. But just because adding an attic bedroom under your rafters is a smart money move, it may not be practical or even doable. To determine if an attic bedroom is right for you, consider building codes, support structures, electrical HVAC, and plumbing system access. Now, are building codes on your side? Although homeowners often consider building codes to be obstacles, safety and durability are the real missions of codes. Because local codes vary, your building inspector can provide a list of applicable codes and required inspections for your new attic bedroom. Ceiling codes, generally 7 feet 6 inches high over a minimum floor area of 70 square feet. If you have an attic shorter than required code, you won't be able to remodel it into living space. Joist code. Ask an architect or structural engineer if your attic floor joists meet local codes and can support the additional weight of a remodeled space. Also ask if the rafters can support drywall, lighting, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC system components. Consultation cost $50 to $150 an hour. Egress codes. Regular bedroom egress, in other words, the way in and out. Those codes typically require at least 2 exits, a doorway and usually a window. An attic bedroom requires both a window and a staircase to the level beneath. Having an escape ladder in clear view is always a good idea. Support systems. The structural framing beneath your roof, rafters or trusses, will determine if you can add an attic bedroom and what it might look like. Rafters, internal beams extending from the peak of the roof to its eaves provide a center open space that you can easily remodel. Trusses, in other words, W-shaped framing that supports the roof, make things harder. Excuse me. To achieve the attic bedroom you want, you might have to cut through, shore up, and otherwise alter the very structures that keep your roof above your head. It may not be practical. Consult a structural engineer and or a licensed architect to determine if modifying trusses is a good idea. Extending systems to your attic bedroom. Electrical. Consult a licensed electrician to determine if your electrical panel has room for additional breakers and can handle the increased load of an attic bedroom. If your system can handle the additional demands, running wires to the attic is relatively simple. Plumbing. Cut costs by locating the new bathroom close to the main stack, large pipes that carry wastewater to your sewer or septic tank. This reduces the length of pipe you'll run between sink, shower, toilet drains, and the stack. HVAC. Of course, that stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. HVAC specialists will tell you if your forced air blower can move enough air to both heat and cool your attic bedroom. If it doesn't, electric baseboard heating and a window air conditioner may suffice. Be sure your electrician knows your heating and cooling plans to determine the total electrical requirements of your new attic bedroom. Gaining access. An attic bedroom requires a standard staircase to meet code. A ladder is insufficient. Adding a staircase will take up space in a room below the attic, so consider converting a closet. You may be able to regain that storage space by using space under the new staircase. Now, staircases with straight runs are easiest to construct, but take up the greatest area, just over 40 square feet. Depending on materials and finishing touches such as newel, post, and hardware, costs can range from $500 to $3,000. Spiral staircases take up the least area but are typically more expensive. Prices for a wood or metal wood staircase kit ranges from $2,000 to $6,000. Installation ranges from $600 to $1,200. If you're short on inside space, exterior access, a staircase outside the house may be a solution. Check with your zoning department, which may interpret an outside staircase as a sign of a multi-unit dwelling, which may not meet neighborhood zoning requirements. I'd like to thank Benjamin Allen for writing this article. He's been the editor of Home Improvement, Remodeling, and Home Repair books published under the Better Homes and Gardens, Home Depot, Stanley, and Ortho brands. He is a freelance writer and editor and makes his home in Des Moines. So I hope you found value in that. If you'd like to keep your finger on the pulse of real estate in any neighborhood that you choose, sign up for Market Snapshot. And guess what? The price is right. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is click the link. The same link you see on the screen, you'll find it in the show notes. Go ahead and click it now. What is it? Well, it is what its name implies. You get an email. You click the link. Bam, a map is displayed, and on that map you'll find houses. The houses are color-coded according to their status: active, under contract, closed, canceled, etc. Drill down into the houses, you can see room dimensions, flooring. You can also get detailed information on schools, like the distance from home, student-teacher ratio, and the school score. You also can do a deep dive into things like shops, restaurants, parks, you name it. Restaurants and bars, you can get reviews off of Yelp. So it's a great tool. It's absolutely free. There's no obligation to buy or to sell, and you can unsubscribe at any time. You can also receive it as frequently or as infrequently as you like. You want it once a week? Great. You only want it once a year? That's cool too. So if you have any questions about real estate, call me, Doug Perry, at 312-572-9801. Or you can email me at dperry@propertyconsultants.com. You'll find both my phone number and email address in the show notes. I would love to talk to you. I'd like it even better if we could meet.